A very good morning to all my dear students. I, your English teacher Parul, welcomes you all for St. Joseph's Academy's online classes. Today, we will discuss a new topic from your English grammar book, Class 1. Our today's topic is Chapter 19, Writing Skills, and Chapter 20, Picture Reading. This both looks almost the same. In the first one, we will learn writing about ourselves and about a birthday. And in Chapter 20, Picture Reading, we will learn completing the sentences by seeing the picture examples. So let's start without delay our today's topic. So first we will discuss Chapter 19, Writing Skills. What are writing skills? Writing skills means you read as much as you can. Always keep an English dictionary with you. Dictionary is a small book where all the words are written with their meaning. Check your spellings before writing and after writing. Learn how to write a paragraph. And how you will learn all this? By proper spelling and pronunciation. Good reading. By reading new things. So writing skills, we improve the way we write, the method of our writing. We understand the words in a better way. So let's see what we are going to do in this chapter. Look at the slide, kids. This is our first paragraph which we have to complete. And the heading is All About Myself. As you have already understood, here we have to write about ourselves. Some of the information I have filled, but some information I don't have about you. And it is not possible for me to write the same sentence in 60 different ways. So, that particular sentence about whom I don't have information, I have left for you as a homework so that you can complete it later according to the information. Fill in the following details about yourself. Here we have to fill the information about ourselves. Sentence number 1. My name is. This is a homework because here you have to write your own name. Sentence number 2. I am dash years old. This is also a homework because your age can differ from each other. So here you have to write your actual age. Number 3. I study in St. Joseph's Academy. I have filled this because all of you study in St. Joseph's Academy. I am in class dash. I am in class first. Most of you are in class first. So here we will write first. My father is a. Here I have written serviceman. If your father is a serviceman, you have to write serviceman. If your father is a businessman, then you have to write a businessman or entrepreneur. My mother is a housewife. If your mother is a housewife, you will write a housewife. Otherwise, you will write whatever profession your mother is in. If she is a teacher, you will write a teacher. If she is a beautician, you will write a beautician. If she is in a job, then write according to that. Sentence number 7. I have dash brothers and dash sisters. I don't know how many brothers and sisters you have, so I have left it blank for homework. You have to do it accordingly. Number 8. I respect my parents, teachers and elders. This will be same for all because this is what we should do. My nationality is Indian. We all are Indians who lives in India. They are called Indians. So I have written here Indian. You will also write the same. My mother tongue is Hindi. If your mother tongue is not Hindi, you can write the language you speak at home. Mother tongue means the language we use to speak at home. That is called mother tongue, or the language, the first language we learn when we start speaking. That's why it is called mother tongue. This is our next paragraph and the topic is birthday. Write about Amit's birthday. You can choose words from the box. As you can see in the picture, students, this paragraph is about the birthday of a boy whose name is Amit. Words are given in help box. We have to choose the correct word and use it at the correct place. The first sentence is, today is Amit's birthday. This paragraph is about birthday, so we will write here birthday. Number 2. Amit has dash his friends to the dash. So what we do on birthdays? We invite our friends. So we will write Amit has invited. And where will he invite his friends to? To his birthday party. His friends to the birthday party. Number 3. His friends have bought many dash for him. What do we take when we go to someone's birthday? Yes, we take gifts for them. So what his friends will bring for him? Gifts. So his friends have bought many gifts for him. Number 4. The room is decorated with dash and dash. As you can see in the picture, the room is decorated with balloons and streamers. As you can see in the picture, there are colorful balloons in Amit's hands also. Number 5. Amit is cutting his birthday dash. What do we cut on birthdays? We cut cake. So here Amit is cutting cake. Number 6. His parents and friends are clapping their hands. What is friends and parents are doing? Clapping. What do we do when someone cuts the cake? We clap and we sing a song, a birthday song. So here we will write clapping. So in picture paragraph, in writing skills, we look at the picture and according to that we choose a word which we should write in the particular place in the blank. Our next topic is lesson 20, picture reading. Now what should we do on picture reading, kids? Do you have any idea? Yes, I will tell you. The first point we need to take care of while doing picture reading is observation. Observation means you should see carefully. What? What you will see? The picture, the given picture. You will see the name. You will see what that picture is trying to say, what that picture is trying to show. Then question yourself. What you see? What is given in the picture? Go in the details. What are the things in the background? About whom that picture is? Take out the curiosity of yours out. And then create sentences to describe that picture. Create small sentences. So in this chapter we will be learning to do picture reading. So let's start without a delay. This is our first picture paragraph. See carefully. Look at the picture of a school. Complete the sentences with the words given in the help box. Here half of your work has already been done because it is given in the help box. Now look at the picture carefully. What you see? This is the entrance of a school. Two kids are going with their backpacks. The peon is ringing the bell. On the left is principal's office and on the right it is the library with lots of books. And inside, as you can see, a teacher is taking a class. So this is how we observe a picture. Now let's see what are the sentences and words are. Students, principal, playground, library, teacher, peon. Now the sentence number 1 is there are many dash in my school. So what do we have? Many in our school? Students. There are many students in my school. Number 2, my school has a good collection of books in the dash. Where do we have books in the school? You also go in library period to go there and read there. Yes, in the library. We find different books in library. Number 3, the dash is teaching in the class. Who teaches in the class, students? Teacher. A teacher teaches in the class. So we will write here teacher. The dash is in his office. So who is in the office? Principal. The principal is in his office. There is a large dash in the school. What should be the largest part of our school? Yes, playground. Your favorite place where all the kids or the students loves to play. You too have a very good playground, right? Number 6, the dash is ringing the bell for the interval. Do you remember? In our school also, we always hear the bell. Who rings that? Yes, the school peon rings that bell. About after every period, the school peon rings the bell. The period bell, the lunch bell, and then the bell of the school is getting over. Final bell. You will also fill these words in your book. Our next paragraph, picture of picture reading. First observe the picture. What is in the picture? A doctor is checking a patient with a stethoscope. One X-ray is hanging behind his wall. A nurse is giving injection to a boy sitting on the bench. Outside the window, an ambulance is parked. So, let's see what are the sentences which we have to complete. A help box is also given. So, work is very easy now. Look at the picture of a doctor's clinic. Complete the sentences with the words given in the box. What are the words given in the box? Stethoscope, doctor, nurse, ambulance, injection, X-ray. We have to complete these sentences with the help of these words. The first one is, this is a doctor in his clinic, because this whole paragraph is about the doctor. And who always found in the clinic? Doctor. Number 2, he is checking a patient with a dash. So, with what we check the patients? Doctors check the patients. And the picture you can see. He is checking a patient with a stethoscope. The thing the doctor keeps in his neck, that is called stethoscope. Number 3, a dash is taking care of sick people. Who takes care of sick people, kids? A nurse. So we will write here nurse. Number 4, there is one ambulance at the gate of the clinic. As you can see in the picture, at the gate of the clinic, one ambulance is parked. Number 5, the nurse is giving a patient an dash. As you can see very clearly in the picture, the nurse is giving an injection to the patient. So here we will write injection. Number 6, the doctor has an X-ray of the lungs of a patient. The doctor is having an X-ray of the lungs of a patient, because that's how doctor finds out if you are having any internal problem. So here we will write X-ray. So this is time for homework, as we have already completed all the exercises. Complete all the exercises in your English grammar book neatly. Read and learn all the exercises, all the words, spelling of all the new words we have written here. And handwriting should be really neat. And don't forget to write the date. This is it for today. We have learned in this video picture reading, lesson 20 and lesson 19, paragraph writing. We'll meet again with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of health, study well, play well. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.